Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And this spotlight today, Melissa Elysian, is someone I personally know and love. When I first heard Melissa sing, she blew me away. And then she became a student in my second authentic performance acting class, and she blew me away again. Um, Melissa is a talented and generous performer who is young enough to be my daughter, but feels like a dear friend and that she has been my teacher in many ways. Melissa is a wise old soul. And she says about herself, I've been a nurse for 10 years and a life coach for about 5. I help my clients honor their divinity and desires to create a life that feels juicy and abundant to them. Melissa digs in deep. While she's one of the most creative, joyous, and fun to be around people that I know, there's no fluff about her. She's the real deal, living an authentic life of purpose. So if you don't know about Melissa's work, check her out here on LinkedIn. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and you can take advantage of my complimentary 30-minute vocal consultation at laurahandke.com, and you can find me right here on LinkedIn.